Welcome to Introducing, a show where we introduce each other to weird and hopefully funny stories.
So today's story is about 5-hour energy. Do you know anything about 5-hour energy?
I've seen it on store shelves, but that was like a long time ago, so I don't know anything.
So 5-hour energy is like an energy shot. It's basically an energy drink in short format, which is supposed to give you the energy of 5 hours in a tiny little bottle, and also like no crashes or no sugar or anything like.
That's fucking shady. I don't trust that shit.
It's actually kind of perfect for people with hustle mentality because they keep preaching like 8 hours sleep in a day is stupid and all of that. But now you don't need sleep at all. Take 5 of these, get an extra hour of fucking energy.
Yeah, an extra hour in the day, but it's like if you take 5 of them, you have 25 hours in the day.
And so like for the rest of the life, no more sleeping, which the life will be for a week, but make the most out of it. It was first introduced to the market in 2004, and by 2012, this company made an estimated of $1 billion. So it was pretty popular. And I'm not sure about the popularity now. I hope it's not as popular now.
I'm pretty sure it's not.
But this thing sold like hotcakes back in the early 2010s. If the hotcakes had no sugar and fat and were highly caffeinated and bite-sized.
At that point, just take cocaine.
I mean,
you heard it here first.
Do not arrest us, we are not drug havers.
What's wrong with espresso shots? Anyways, this made the founder of 5-hour Energy, who's Manoj Bhargava.
Wait, 1 second. Desi?
Indian American. Born in India, Lucknow.
I'm not gonna hate on this company at all.
He started his company, Living Essentials, for 5-hour Energy. And what a name. I mean, calling your products Living Essentials, genius stroke. It's like those shops that, have the name Best Children Clothes. So you read that, you think, surely someone awarded them that, right? It's not just a name.
Yes.
So, other than that, I'm writing a book. It's called New York Times bestseller. If the product wasn't already the stuff hustle mindset fuckboys dreams are made of, the founder's story also makes it even better. So first of all, he's a first generation immigrant, born in India, moved to America with his parents, right? So he's got the struggle in him. And then there's the biggest factor.
Okay.
He went to Princeton for a year and then dropped out. He's a college dropout of Princeton.
Oh god.
Perfect hustle mentality. And he didn't even drop out for like a business. He dropped out and he traveled. So he went to India, and for 12 years he spent traveling like to India, to and from the monasteries owned by Hanslok Ashram. And he kept moving from India and US, did some like fucking stupid office and construction jobs and all of that.
The least desi NRI ever.
No,
He's doing all of this white people shit. What kind of Indian American comes to India? Go to their places. Like, I mean, they come to us. White people come to us. We should go to like, I don't know, fucking Europe or some shit. That's the dream, right?
No, but anyways, after he satisfied his wanderlust and he found himself in 12 years, he came back to the US and he got his parents' business, which classic hustle mentality move, right?
I built this from the ground up, which is to say my dad built this from the ground up. Yes. Self-made.
Yes, truly.
And 2 ounces, that your idea? Or?
Yeah, that was mine.
Yeah, a $1.3 billion idea. That's what Forbes said he was worth earlier this year.
So he was put on the Forbes list for billionaires, but he was removed like the next year. And then in 2015, like he made a documentary about his charity and stuff like that. And in that he said his net worth was $4 billion US, which at that point, come on, if it was 3 billion more than the required to have on the list, Forbes would probably put you back, right?
The most overcompensating fucking shit ever. Like, Forbes takes him off the list. They're like, no, you dipped like 1 million beneath, so we're not putting you on the list. This motherfucker comes back saying, fuck 1.5. I'm at 4 now.
Okay, so let's get into the stuff I wanted to show you about 5-hour Energy. It's the ads, and I'm mainly showing you like the old ones because that was when it was popular. At least I hope it stopped being popular. So
I don't want to get up. I don't want to go to work. I hate mornings. Great, I have 20 minutes. No time for coffee. Hello, my friend.
Can't get it together in the morning? Try 5 Hour Energy. It's simple, effective, and unlike coffee, it's ready right now. No waiting, no hassle.
We all know the biggest problem that everyone has with coffee is how much time it takes to make.
Especially when you have like a coffee machine.
Yeah,
right?
he has a coffee machine in front of him.
Isn't that the whole point of coffee? Like it's easy, simple.
Yeah.
You get coffee where it tastes everything.
But it has caffeine, it can include sugar, and it can crash.
Yes.
Unlike 5 Hour Energy.
Which, okay, so you get the concept of this ad, which is you don't want to get up. It's easy in the morning. You get 5 hours. So let's say he goes to walk at 9, right? So you have 5 hours right there.
You know what 2:30 in the afternoon feels like, right? Sleepy? Groggy? Dying for a nap?
Season 10 of The Office.
What do? Run for the coffee? Grab a soda? But how long does that last before you're back for more?
Can I just say this is so uncomfortably quiet? Why is there no background music? It makes it feel unsettling.
It makes me feel groggy.
Groggy?
Like I need to go get a fucking 5 Hour Energy.
But that's genius marketing then.
Right, living essential.
Yeah, truly.
Try this instead. Take 1 5-hour energy, then see what the rest of your day feels like. Sure won't feel like 2:30 anymore. Or 3:30. Or 4:30. 5-hour energy. Hours of energy now, no 2:30 feeling later.
So now the first ad was taken at 9 in the morning.
Yeah.
The second ad was taken at 2:30.
Yeah.
When is the evening version coming out? The decaf 2-hour energy for your clubbing suits.
You know what it feels like standing in line at a club.
Yes.
Take 5 Hour Energy. This is the real pregame.
5 Hour Energy. It's the morning wake up you don't have to make, wait for, or hassle with. And it really works. Just open it up and knock it back.
I love that it says it really works, just as the disclaimer individual results mean that it ends up.
That was fast and easy.
That man is dying. That man is dying. That look is the look of a man that is passing away.
Also, it doesn't even look like he drank anything. It just looks like he's touching it. He's scared of drinking
Yeah,
it.
it's just the fucking texture.
Like based on his acting, how many takes do you think they've taken? Like where he's just knocked down like 5 Hour Energies.
This man had to take 40 shots to get the right take and then immediately died filming the 41st take.
No, sorry, no crashes.
The only crash is death.
5 Hour Energy. The no wait, no hassle way to a great morning.
What the fuck is that silent moment there? I know I'm harping on the silence in these ads, but that's just like 3 seconds of him just awkwardly sitting down to pick up a newspaper.
Which, first of all, who sits like that? One leg on the table, reading a newspaper.
Don't you have work to get to? I thought that was the whole point of this.
No. 5 Hour Energy to sit down with my leg on the table and read a newspaper.
Okay, kids, get in the car. We're leaving.
Oh my god, what the fuck does extra strength?
10 Hour Energy.
No, but it still says 5. So does it give you 10 hours worth of energy in those 5 hours?
I mean, there is no...
feel like God for 5 hours?
I am Zeus. I have had extra strength, 5 Hour Energy.
How'd you fucking go to Greek gods? Indians. You're Jain. What the fuck?
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this ad, my main problem with this ad is, first of all, it's very clear that they're taking this because they're going on a road trip with children.
Yeah.
Right? So, your whole idea is let me keep this small bottle with exciting colors.
Yeah.
Right? In my car, just there, in case of where a child can easily come open it and drink it.
It says this packaging looks like something you would sell to a kid.
Yeah.
Because it has the word energy huge. It has extra strength.
Yeah.
And any fucking 10-year-old boy,
yeah,
he's just doing lines of this shit.
And let me leave this open in my car where even a drop of this shit could probably affect my child.
You're done.
How much coffee you fellas gonna need today? 3, 4 cups?
Well, we...
Doesn't last long, does it? Listen, 5 Hour Energy lasts a whole lot of hours, so you can get a lot done without reef.
It's in the title. 5-hour energy lasts a whole lot of hours. You just said it. How can I trust you?
Fills, and it's packed with B vitamins and nutrients to make it last.
Which, first of all, the B vitamins they talk about,
Yeah.
a whole lot of that kills you. Very easily.
A whole lot of them kill you very easily is both the slogan for 5-hour energy and the police. Really good casting here.
So, don't just stand there holding your lattes, boys.
That man, that one brown jacket, he's frozen in time. He's falling in love. Look at him. He saw the bottle, it's done. He's gonna leave his wife when he gets home. He's moving into the factory.
And the other one is just so ashamed of having a coffee. Like, what kind of machoism is this? Like, no coffee anymore. We drink fucking energy shots, which are orange and bright colored.
Make your move.
We'll take the 5-hour energy.
Smart move.
This man's just walking around with 2, 3, 5. What is this?
5-hour energy. Hours and hours of energy.
Okay, so their marketing is absolute ass.
Yeah.
But the real question, what is our boy Manoj Bhargav doing?
So he's gone into like charity and stuff, so he's actually doing living essential stuff now in India and poor like countries and stuff.
He's having a Swades moment. He turns up in India instead of that moment with the light bulb. He has a 5-hour energy shot.
Groggy.
Funny thing though, he's actually had a Swades moment where he's actually providing electricity to poor villages in India. Like he has an electricity pack and it provides energy through bicycles and solar packs and all of that. Like no electricity bills and everything.
Okay. So now I just feel guilty. And on that note, thanks for watching. If you liked this, we're going to be doing another video this same week where I'm going to be introducing something.
Yeah.
And if you don't like it, don't tell us because I don't want to know. But like, subscribe, share, all of that stuff.
Haters gonna hate what you do.